What's up? It's Himmeny. So today I'll be reviewing what I think are the best mobile apps so you can view charts as well as execute orders on the go. Let's go! So here's the Interactive Brokers mobile app, and on the left you can see a screenshot of it in the App Store. So here's the home page for it when you open it, and I'm going to go ahead and click Watch List there on the bottom left, and in that tab you can add your own watch list. You click Add Financial Instruments, you can make a new list, and then if you go to the More section and you click on Scanners, you have access to all the different scans. I personally removed all the preset scans and I added my own top percent gainer scan. And if you guys want to know how I did that, I could make a video on it in the future. But so here's the top percent gainers, and the only thing I don't like about the Interactive Brokers scanner is that it doesn't show you the volume of the stocks that are showing up on the scan. But for example, if you click here on the first one, RHE, you can see a summary of the chart and whatever. But if you click on it again, you can open the full candlestick chart and pick your time frame, whatever. There's also news on the bottom, and you can buy or sell straight from this page. I don't usually execute orders from mobile apps, but like if your computer disconnects from Wi-Fi or something, you can execute it quickly on the app. Here's some chart settings. You can pick the different time periods, stuff like that. And if you turn it sideways, you even get the chart with a bigger kind of view and more detailed, and you could hover over the candles to see the high, low, volume, stuff like that. And as you can see, here's the 1 year chart. It shows the volume on the bottom. It's not bad, but overall, I kind of like Thinkorswim charting better on the mobile app, and I'm going to go to that after this. But here's just so you could see an example of this app, how to use it, and how I use it myself. So here's the Thinkorswim app, and if you go to the Markets tab, you can click on Movers, and that's where it shows you the top percent gainers. But right now it's after hours, so you're not really going to see any movers right now. But on the top tab over there, you can go to Overview, and this really has like useless information in it, but it shows you the overall market, stuff like that. And if you click on the search bar at the top right, you can type in any tickers you want to view. And here you could see by the overview, you see basic information like today's open, previous close, the volume, stuff like that. And if you slide over to the chart tab over here, you could see a detailed chart. Originally, it's a line chart, but I configured it with that settings gear on the top right, and it allows you to select candlestick charting. And if you turn it horizontally, you also get that better view. It's more detailed, and it shows you the open, high, low, close, volume, stuff like that when you highlight a candle. So that's what I like about this. Overall, I like Thinkorswim mobile better than Interactive Brokers mobile because the usability is just much easier to use and it fits my needs better. But for actually executing orders, I like the Interactive Brokers app. I just don't like the charting that much on that one. Also, what I like about the Thinkorswim mobile app is as long as you have an account with them, the live data is free to access. But with Interactive Brokers, I believe it's $12 a month or something like that. And if you turn this back to portrait mode, you can slide over on the top tab over there, and you can even select level 2. And this even shows you the level 2 live during the market hours. Whereas Interactive Brokers, you need to pay for that live data. Also, the level 2 on the mobile is not as great as the desktop app, so I wouldn't really trade based on this level 2. I would rather trade based on desktop softwares like StocksToTrade or Thinkorswim on the desktop. Feel free to comment any questions you have about this video or any videos I've done in the past. I'll be glad to answer. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a great weekend. Take care.